Good day, everyone. This is a video for a project I've been working on for the last couple days. Inspiration struck me once again to go ahead and craft an alien species, and I've decided I'm going to write a space opera novel because why not, right? So I'm going to do this, and I wanted to actually have a universe set up where, I can actually feel like there's a universe, there's working rules, I have something to work within. I'm not just making it all up as I go along. And hopefully that'll come out for a more realistic story. And what I have right here is the first planet I've designed. I have to work up the species and everything that lives there. But this is in fact a habitable planet. As you can see, it's Earth-like. There's an atmosphere. There's a pole up top here. I have a 2D printed out map as well. There's another smaller pole at the bottom. But this is not quite accurate. The printed out version is. This is as close as I can get with the software I'm using. Currently we are doing, I believe, a month per second in time-wise. That's why the orbit of the moon is so damn fast. But yeah, this is a perfect simulation of the one solar system I have so far. This program is really awesome. Unfortunately, it's a trial version. I will have to get the full version pretty soon because it's fairly cheap. But yeah, this is the first planet. Its name is Keortal. It resides about 210 million kilometers from its sun, or rather suns. There's two. It's a binary system. It's about the same size as Earth. Has twice of Earth's gravity. Its rotation along its own axis is about 2 Earth days. Its mean temperature is around 24 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere pressure is only 0.75% that of Earth, and it's about 57% water. It has the single moon, and I can show you over the rest of the planets in this system, but first let's go ahead and grab the system itself. Right here we have the entire system, and you're not going to see anything really moving as of current because of the speed I have it set at. I'll speed that up in a second. But you can see each path has its own unique orbit. There is the outer asteroid belt and inner asteroid belt. The asteroid belt distances is basically the only habitable planet is surrounded by these belts. And you have the other two planets in the system, Moxxu 1 and 2. That's after all the Moxxu System. And it doesn't actually show the bodies. I wish it did. I think that's a paid feature. But in the middle you have the Sun, Moxxu Prime, and Moxxu Beta, which orbits it. Both of them are red dwarfs, and they're much dimmer than our own Sun, which means this planet here is really, really, really dark. Full moon is the brightest it ever gets, and that's when it's at its closest orbital point to the Sun's, which I believe is... hey, what do you know? It's a quiz. The closest point would be here and here. So basically it has two summers which are fairly bright. That's the setup for the entire system. The orbital paths, everything has been done out. I have detailed every single flippin' last feature of each individual planet in terms of gravity, distance from the sun, angles of attack. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead here and put it at a week per second. See, that's the orbital time in every second being a week. Now you can actually see the various orbiting speeds. The name labels being where the actual body would lie upon the recording. What's really cool about this, though, is this program. If I zoom out here, in the main window right here, you can see we have the main central solar system, Moxxu Prime. And as I go on and develop the world, I can put in more planets, and it's a complete 3D space, and I'll be able to get you the distances between everything. But yeah, back to the system. Another cool thing is, so here's the other star, your typical red dwarf, and Moxxu 1, barren planet. barren planet with moon spazzing out. Hang on a second. There we go. Hours per second. So, small planet, small moon, had a larger area across from it. Actual planet itself, a few craters, but typical barren planetoid. Inhospitable as of current. I don't think the asteroid belts have any texture. No, they don't. Oh well. Yeah, back to here. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. And I'll be doing a printout of the system data from this because it's much more in depth than what I previously generated in order to make this, because this has the various physics engine needed to calculate everything. It can give me a whole bunch of stuff, even down to the various breakdown of atmospheric gas. And yeah, that's that. So I will see you guys around, and keep posted on what I've been doing here, just because why not? And I hope you guys have a great day.